What type of alert is it? Let's find out.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for
Another special
nearshore waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the islands, Ohio. Open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the islands, Ohio until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Monroe Harbor, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Put-in Bay. The current time is 8:52.
Yeah, that was yet another special marine warning. The third time